Now students of 8th standard, let us start exercise 7.1, the value of 3 to the power minus 2. So we know the formula a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. That means in short reciprocal we will write. So the reciprocal of 3 will be 1 upon 3 square or 1 upon 3 whole square you can write also. So 1 upon 3 into 3, that means 1 upon 9. B, minus 4 whole square minus 2. So minus reciprocal of minus 1 upon 4 whole square. So minus 1 square 4 square. Minus 1 square, that means 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. And 4 4s are 16. Next C, 1 upon 2 whole to the power minus 5. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 will be 2. 2 to the power 5, that means 32. Easily you can see here. Now the question number, first of question number 2. Minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. Division sign is there, bases are same. So minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8. Here you will write the formula. I have not written, but you will write a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now see negative number. This number is greater and before it negative sign, so we will put negative sign, and we know the difference between 5 and 8 is 3. So reciprocal of minus 4 will be minus 1 upon 4 because we want this exponent with positive sign. Okay, so minus 1 to the power 3 and 4 to the power 3. It is an odd number, so negative sign will come. So minus 1 upon 4 cube. If the simplification is there, so minus 1 upon 64 you can write. It's according to answer table. I have not seen the answer table. You can see and then according to you can simplify. Okay, now second question, 1 upon 2 cube whole square is equal to 1 square upon 2 cube whole square. So 1 square will be 1 and 2 to the power, that means exponent is again having exponent, so 3 2s are 6, 1 upon 2 to the power 6. Now next sum, minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 upon 3 whole power 4. You can see here minus 1 to the power 4 individually we can write, and 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 4. The formula is a upon b whole power m is equal to a to the power m upon b to the power m minus 1. Here is the even number, so we can write 1 positive sign, so no need to write 3 upon 4 upon 3 upon 4. So you can see here a to the power m upon a to the power n will be 1 if m equal to n. So here both the numbers are same, the value will be, you can cancel also, or value will be 1, so no need to write 5 to the power 4. According to answer table you can simplify 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 4 times with multiplication, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 to 5 and 1 to 5 multiply by 5 6 to 5 I think. 3 to the power minus 7, division sign, 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. So division sign is there, bases are same, so difference you will take. So minus 7 minus in the bracket minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Negative sign is there, minus minus plus, and 1 is negative, 1 is positive, greater number is positive, so difference we will take with positive sign. So 3 to the power 3 because 10 minus 7 3 into 3 to the power minus 5. Bases are same, so exponents we will add. So 3 to the power 3 plus in the bracket minus 5 plus minus, so 3 minus 5, greater number is having negative sign, so 3 to the power minus 2. Reciprocal we will write because we want exponent with positive sign. So 1 upon 3 whole square and 1 upon 3 whole square, that means 1 square upon 3 square, or you can write 1 upon 9. Now next is fifth one, 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 to the power minus 3. So reciprocal of it will be 1 upon 2 whole cube into 1 upon minus 1 upon 7 whole cube. So 1 upon 2 cube because 1 cube will be 1 into negative, here is negative 1 is there, and exponent is an odd number, so negative sign will come. So 7 cubes, 2 into 7 whole cube with negative sign, 2 7s are 14 cube. You can simplify. Now next will be 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 square. 3 to the power any number, if it is having exponent 0, the value will be 1. Keep this thing in your mind. X to the power 0 is equal to 1. M to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1000 to the power 0 will be 1. So 3 to the power 0 will be 1 plus reciprocal of it 1 upon 4 into 2 2s are 4. Take LCM, so 4 1s are 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 4. 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4 into 4. 4 cancel by this, so 5 will be the answer. Next, turn the page. Sixth one. So, before that, second sub-question second of, I think this is the third one. Okay, so 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1, division sign 2 to the power minus 2. Reciprocal of this will be 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 4, division sign, and reciprocal of it will be 1 upon 2 square. So 1 1s are 1, 2 4s are 8 into 2 square. 1 upon 8 you can write 2 cube, and this whenever we will multiply any number by 1, the number will be the answer. Now see here, it is in the numerator, it is in the denominator, and one formula I explained you, a to the power m divided a to the power n is equal to a to the power n minus m if m is less than n. I explained this. So better this formula, you will take greater exponent. Greater is this, the bases are same, so this power you will take down. So 1 upon 2 to the power 3 minus 2, formula is same. Here will be, formula will be same. Okay, so 1 upon 2. Now third is 1 upon 2 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole to the power minus 2. So reciprocal of 2 will be 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. Easily you can calculate. 2 2s are 4 plus 9 plus 16, and then answer. 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power. So first you will write reciprocal. If any number is having power 0, directly you can write the value will be 1. Now fifth one, minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2. Then the value will be reciprocal of with negative sign, exponent is, so reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 will be minus 3 upon 2 whole square and square of this. Okay, now 2 2s are 4. Exponent is having exponent, that means a to the power m to the power n. So we always multiply. A to the power m to the power n is equal to m to the power n. Okay, so minus 3 upon 2 whole power 4. Here you can see minus sign is having even number. Exponent is an even number, so positive sign, and you can simplify this. Now first sub-question, first of question number 4th. 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 cube upon 2 to the power minus 4. So 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 cube into 1 upon 2 to the power minus 4 we can write, or you can write the reciprocal of it because negative exponent is there. So 1 upon 8 into 5 cube into reciprocal of 1 upon 2 will be 2 to the power 4. We can write 2 to the power 4 ones are 2 to the power 4. 8 we can write the form of 2 cube because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 5 cube. Okay, now greater number is there in the numerator, so what we will do, 2 to the power 4 minus 3, the formula we will use, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, into 5 cube. So answer will be 4 minus 3, 1. No need to write. We never write the power 1. 2 is as it is. Negative is there, so we will write into 5 cube. You can calculate this. Now second question, 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. That means 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 6. Easily you can calculate. Okay. Now fifth question is 5 to the power m divided 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Here a to the power m divided a to the power n. So a to the power m minus n. So 5 to the power m minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Minus plus. So 5 to the power m plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. M plus. So if bases are same, opposite of equal sign, then exponents will be same. Definitely the exponents will be same. So m plus 3 equal to 5. So m equal to 5 minus 3. So m equal to 2 will be the answer. Now come on the sixth question. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 minus 1 whole power minus 1. So first we will write the reciprocal of this number 3 minus 4 whole power minus 1. 3 minus 4, greater number is 4. It is having negative sign, but difference you will take the difference. 1, but greater number is having negative sign, so minus 1 to the power minus 1, and reciprocal of 1 you will write definitely 1 upon 1, so no need to change here. Directly you can write minus 1. Now next, 5 upon 8 to the power minus 7 into 8 upon 5 to the power minus 4. You can see here reciprocal of this will be 8 upon 5 to the power 7 into 5 upon 8 to the power 4. Now 8 to the power 7 upon 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 4 upon 8 to the power 4. Now equate the same basis value. So 8 to the power 7 upon 8 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 7. Here you can see greater exponent is in the numerator and here the greater exponent in the denominator. So what we will do? 8 to the power 7 minus 4 and 5 to the power 7 minus 4 in the denominator. So 8 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. The formula is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now whole power 3, or you can calculate the value 8 into 8 into 8 and 5 into 5 into 5. Now next is first question of question number 7. 25 into t to the power minus 4, 5 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8, and here where the t not equal to 0, the value of t is not 0. Now what we will do? 25 we can write 5 square. Nothing is written here. Okay, it is the by mistake I have written. Now 5 square into reciprocal of it will be 1 upon t to the power 5 into reciprocal of this number will be 5 cube, because 1 upon 5, and 10 you can write 1 upon 2 into 5, and reciprocal of t to the power minus 8 will be t to the power 8 will be t to the power 8, because negative sign is there. Now 5 square into 5 to the power 3 plus 1 upon t to the power equates same basis value. So t to the power 8 upon t to the power 5 into 1 upon 2 into 5. Okay. Now multiplication sign is there, and 8 the power 2 plus 3. So 5 to the power 2 plus 3, 5 upon 5 into t to the power 8 minus 4 upon 1 upon 2, and this 5 we will write here. Now 5 to the power 5, division sign is there, and here nothing is written, that means 1, so subtract upon 2. Now numerical value we are writing here into t to the power 8 minus 4 will be 4. So 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 upon 2. So 5t whole power 4, because a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab whole power m, or you can calculate. Now last question, 3 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 upon 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. First reciprocal. Do one thing first every time. So 1 upon 3 to the power 5, 1 upon 10 to the power 5. Here is by mistake 5 5s are 25. Yes, 5 to the power 3 into reciprocal of it will be 5 to the power 7 and 6 to the power 5. Now 1 upon 3 to the power 5 into 1 upon 2 into 5 whole power 5. 2 5s are 10. Same bases are there. Multiplication sign, so we can add the exponents, plus 2 into 3 whole power, because 2 3s are 6. 1 upon 3 to the power 5 plus 1 upon 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 10 plus 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Now equate same basis. So 3 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 5. The value will be 1. 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5. Value will be 1. 5 to the power 10 upon 5 to the power 5. So 5 to the power 10 minus 5. Numerator and denominator division formula we will apply here. The laws of exponents. So value will be, you can see here, 1 into 5 to the power 10 minus 5. 5 to the power 5. You can calculate, evaluate. Here the 7.1 completed. Hush. Okay. Bye-bye.